In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change chart colors in Google Sheets. This is a fantastic skill to have under your belt for making your data visually appealing and easier to understand at a glance. So let's dive in and get started with transforming your plain, default charts into vibrant and customized data presentations. First things first, locate your existing chart within your Google Sheets document. To open the Chart Editor panel, simply double-click directly on that chart. This action will bring up the Chart Editor on the right-hand side of your screen. Here is where all the magic happens, allowing you to customize every aspect of your chart. Once you've got the Chart Editor open, you'll want to navigate over to the Customize tab. This tab is pivotal as it houses all your customization options, specifically for changing colors across different components of your chart. Start by going to the Chart Style section. Here you can add a touch of personal flair by changing the background colors of your chart. Simply select a color that complements the data you're presenting. You also have the option to alter the border color to better define your chart against the rest of your sheet. Next, we'll look at the chart and axis titles. This feature is fantastic for ensuring your titles and labels stand out. Just select the color you wish for your title text, providing a more distinct and professional look. Now, let's talk about the Series section. This is particularly useful for line charts, bar charts, and pie charts. Here you can adjust the colors of each individual line or series of bars to match your desired aesthetic or company branding. This flexibility allows you to communicate data distinctions clearly, making it easier for viewers to interpret different datasets at a glance. Moving on to the Legend section, introduce pops of color to your chart's legend. Changing the legend colors can help synchronize the chart's look and ensure that viewers can easily correlate the legend with the chart data. In the Grid Lines and Ticks section, you can alter the grid line colors. This adjustment can be subtle yet significant, improving the chart's readability and ensuring it doesn't overpower the data. Lastly, if you're working with bar charts and want to emphasize specific data points, you can customize individual column colors. All you need to do is double-click on any of the bars in your chart, and you'll be able to select a new color, allowing you to highlight particular information directly. And that's it. By following these steps, you can effectively change chart colors in Google Sheets, making your data presentation polished, professional, and visually impactful. Experiment with these options to discover the look that best suits your needs and style. Thank you for joining me today, and happy chart customizing.